Hello students, welcome to Anju Mahajan English Time class. Today we will find errors regarding agreement of the verb with its subject in some of the sentences. Let's test our abilities. First sentence is, there is a lovely road that runs from Manali into the hills. Students notice these given sentences. There is a lovely road, full stop, it runs from Manali into the hills. So both of these sentences are joined that make a complex sentence. These sentences are joined with the conjunction that is a relative pronoun and its antecedent is a lovely road. So a lovely road is singular. We will take singular verb with that. So the correct sentence will be, there is a lovely road that runs from Manali into the hills. Come to the next sentence. The rivers have an intrinsic beauty which provide great aesthetic pleasure. Again it is complex sentence. The rivers have an intrinsic beauty, this is main clause, which provides great aesthetic pleasure, this is subordinate clause. So these sentences, these clauses are joined with the conjunction which, that is relative pronoun, and this relative pronoun is used for the beauty and intrinsic beauty. This is again a singular. So the same way we'll use singular verb, that is provides, not provide. So the correction will be, the rivers have an intrinsic beauty which provides great aesthetic pleasure. Next, you must pay due respect to those who has respect for you. Let's see what is the correction here. Students, the clauses of this complex sentence are joined using the conjunction who, that is relative pronoun and its antecedent is those and it is plural. So certainly we will use plural verb have instead of has. So the sentence will be, you must pay due respect to those who have respect for you. Come to the fourth sentence. Neither of the two boys are guilty. Students, each, either, neither, these are called distributive pronouns as they refer to a single person or thing in a group, one at a time. They equally distribute attention to each person or thing in a group. They are always singular and are therefore followed by a singular verb. Neither signifies not one nor the other in a group of two. Now come back to the sentence, neither of the two boys are guilty. Here neither of the two boys, this is subject. This is simple sentence and it means that there are two boys and out of these two no one is guilty. So R is wrong. Next sentence is complex sentence. Neither of the two boys is guilty. This is main clause that is separated into two parts. Who is being carried to the office? This is subordinate clause. Both of these clauses are joined with the conjunction who. Who is relative pronoun and its antecedent is two boys. So according to the two boys, that is plural, we will take the verb. Neither of the two boys who is incorrect. So we will use here are. Neither of the two boys who are being carried to the office is guilty. Next sentence, one of the students of my class. One of the students means many students are there and they are talking about only one. One of the students of my class. We will not use here were. Was is correct. Was selected. One of the students of my class was selected. I know one of the boys who like or likes me. Again this is complex sentence and its clauses are joined with the help of conjunction who. Who is relative pronoun and its antecedent the boys is plural. So we will take the plural verb, that is like, not likes. So correct answer is, I know one of the boys who like me. Next, my boss is one of those who is dedicated to work. Again complex sentence. So here who is relative pronoun and its antecedent is those, and according to those we will take the verb. Who is dedicated to office is incorrect. We'll use here are. My boss is one of those who are dedicated to work. Next sentence, The vegetable which are sold here is cheap in price. Again it is complex sentence. The vegetable is cheap in price. This is main clause. Which are sold here. This is subordinate clause. Both of these clauses are joined with the help of which. That is a relative pronoun and its antecedent is the vegetable. The vegetable is singular, so we'll take singular verb. Which is, with which we'll take singular verb. The vegetable which is sold here is cheap in price. Come to next sentence. Each of the boys has or have done his work. Students, this is simple sentence. Each is distributive pronoun. It refers to two or more than two persons or things taken one by one. Means taken one at a time. So in this sentence, each of the boys means there are two or more than two boys, and everyone has means each has done his work. Each is singular, so singular verb has will be used. Next sentence is either of the two boys is or are eligible for the post. So students, either is distributive pronoun. It is simple sentence. Either is again taken as singular subject. Either means one or the other in a group of two. Either of the two boys means there are two boys. Out of these two boys, one or the other is eligible for the post. So we'll take singular verb is here. Next sentence, none of the boys is or are honest. This is simple sentence. None is indefinite pronoun. None means no one, not any, nobody. So it also takes singular verb with it. None of the boys. So many boys are there and not any boy is honest. So this is the end of today's video. Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. And if you have any question in your mind, please do write in the comment section. I'll try to clear all your doubts. It gives me pleasure. Thanks for watching and bye for now.